Good morning. I want to show you today how to hide your Stride ELA course. So go to your home page and click on your home room. Then go down to Course Management and Reports. And then once that comes up, you want to scroll down to see Stride Skills Arcade ELA. Click on it. All right, and you have the whole unit showing. So I'm going to go to Edit Classroom Settings. I'm going to click on the box here that will highlight all of the lessons. But remember, Kelly said if you're going to do the whole unit, we need to let it show 4 of them. So I'm going to unclick 4. And then you'll notice the rest of them stay checked. So now I'm going to go to Actions, click Hide Content, and then you notice you get the little eye there with the line through it. So it has now hidden all of those. And I'm going to click Save and Exit. And hope that that doesn't happen right there. If it does, you're just going to try it again. There we go. And that's all there is to it.